Hey everyone, so in today's video we'll learn how to set up an Angular project. So today I'll show you how to quickly set up an Angular project in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. So the tools we need to set up an Angular project are a Visual Studio Code in which you will be running the code. Secondly, we would need is an Angular CLI, which will basically help us from different part of our application, including testing, building and other stuff. And we would need Node.js. So if you don't have Node.js, you can just search on Google download Node.js. And once you get to here, click this link and according to whatever system you're using, you can just here download. If you're using a Windows, you can choose your operating system and download that as well. Once you have chose those settings, you can just click here and just download it. And make sure to choose npm here. Once you have downloaded it, you can just install it and your system will have Node.js. And then to check if your system has a Node.js or not, you can just go to the command line terminal, which I can go here. I can open new terminal and I'm in my directory here. I can just go here and see node -v. So you can see I have a node version of 18.19.1. And you have to also check if you've got npm, because that is through which we downloaded it. So node package manager. So if you do npm -v, you can see I have a version 10.2.4. So this confirms I have both of the things which are required. So you can also check it. If you don't, then download it from here. Once this is done, now we can check our Angular CLI, right? As I already told you, the purpose of Angular CLI is for project creation and also project management. So we can create our project using Angular CLI. So this is really important. So make sure you download Angular CLI. So the command to do it is npm install -g @angular/CLI. This command. I'll also put this command in the description below so you can get it from there. So this is the command you need to download Angular CLI. As I've already got it, you can see it here. You can use the command to check if you've got the correct version, ng version. Once I do this, you can see like this big written Angular CLI and you can see the version as well. So the current Angular version I have is 16.1.6. You can see the node I have, package manager, everything you can see in just one command. These are all the things we need to run and create our Angular application. Now I will create my Angular application. So I'll go to desktop. I'll use the command ng new my Angular app, and I'll just write my name at the end, Abhi. So this command will help me create the new Angular project. Once I enter this, you'll be able to see it will ask me different questions like, would you like to add a routing, yes or no? So if I need, I'll say yes for now. And it would say me which style sheet format would you like to use. So you can use CSS, SCSS, whatever you want to use. I'll go with CSS. And that's it. It has started creating my new Angular project. You can see it has created all the files which you need, config files to our different component files. Yes. So as you can see, all the packages have been installed successfully. Now we can go to our project directory. You can see I've got my Angular app Abhi. So I'll say my Angular app Abhi. So now, yes, now I'm inside my Angular app Abhi. So I can just take this application, my Angular app Abhi, and I can just drop it into my VS Code. Once I do this, you can see my Angular application is open inside this. You can see I've got all the node modules. I've got my src inside this. I have got my app assets, my main index.html file, this file, and I've got my main.ts file as well. So you can see all the stuff which we need is inside this application. We have got our routing, our component, and all the other stuffs we need. So to see if our Angular application is running or not, I'll just open the new terminal. Inside this, we will use our command is ng serve. Now this command ng basically we use to serve or to build our application. So ng serve will open a server at localhost 4200. So this is our development server. If I click this is our Angular application. You can see it's running on our local port, which is 4200, and it's all working here, this one. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video.